In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset quick keys on your MacBook. Let's jump right in. Quick Keys is a new macOS Tahoe feature that lets you run actions right from Spotlight just by typing a few letters. Like, if you type up, it could open your presentation without even launching the presentation app. So if you ever need to reset them back to default, here's what you do. Click on the Apple logo and open System Settings. Scroll down and tap on Spotlight. You'll see an option called Reset Quick Keys. That's the one that brings all your custom Spotlight actions back to the original settings. Tap on it. A message will pop up saying the custom Spotlight Quick Keys will go back to default. Confirm by tapping Reset. And that's it. Your quick keys are now back to the default setup. Use Spotlight Search by Command and Space. Then set a new quick key for send message like this, and open any app like this. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Free Tech Guide for more simple tech tips.